Welcome to this overview of mobile information systems. Company background. The company was incorporated in August 2002 and is the oldest trading GPS fleet management company in Ireland. The company is headed by two industry specialists who have backgrounds in GPS dating back to 1990. The company is self-funding and has been profitable and remained profitable since year one. The company employs all expertise in-house, including installation and development. The company is majority owned by the principal and the owner of the software and intellectual property rights. The company has a sister company in the UK and partners in the US, Nigeria, South Africa, Australia and Mexico. The background of the product. In 1994, the product suite MS Track was initially developed and was based on a two-way radio tracking system. And in 1996, the product was developed to support cellular-based SMS tracking, and the product was initially developed for the transport and logistics industry in South Africa. In 2000, the product was brought to Europe, to Ireland and the UK, and from 2000 to the present day, the product has undergone many iterations of development to meet the demands of the EU and US markets. In 2002, the first product to support GPRS was brought into Ireland and the UK. And then more recently, in 2010 and 2011, the product has been delivered on a multitude of platforms, including handheld devices with different operating systems. So the product technology is broken down into two main components. First component is the vehicle hardware, and this can either be on a GSM or GPRS based system or a satellite based system, and there are different units available that our system is compatible with to work with either of these two main platforms. The second tier of technology, or second component technology, is the user interface, and we have a number of different applications. The first one is MS Track Pro, which is the enterprise desktop application. MS Track Web then is a web browser web-enabled application. JMobile is a handheld application for Java-enabled devices. iMobile is for the Apple iPhone and available in the App Store, as is iMobile Pro, which is the version for the iPad. So the product is built using Microsoft tools and Microsoft programming languages. Both the server and the client applications are built on the latest Microsoft SQL technology. Simple third-party integration is possible through SQL, XML, or third-party DLL integration. And the product supports Microsoft Office integration for a variety of reports can be delivered in Office formats, so you can open up data from our system in Microsoft Word or Excel. And we can also do third-party customer integration. For example, we've worked with some hauliers that work with load aggregators, and they use their own applications to query our XML platform so they can get system updates into their own system